family, my Prices family, and welcome back to the channel. On today, it's about, can you see that? 7:42 in the morning, and I'm starting with room number 1 in my deep cleaning spring deep cleaning series for 2025. So can't check but so long because there's so much to do. It's a deep cleaning day here on the Johnson Ranch. So you know what to do. Just keep watching. Welcome back, or welcome if you're new. This is Katrina's Prices Home Life and More, where I share home decor, tablescapes, cooking in my Prices kitchen, cleaning motivation, shopping hauls, and so much more. It's a lifestyle channel. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram as well. Spring is here, and now is the time for me to get into deep cleaning my home. I'm starting off in our family room, which is one of our favorite hangout spots. I have my cleaning checklist, my favorite products, and the motivation to get it done. So clean with me or watch for inspiration and motivation. Step 1, move everything. I'm getting everything out of this space, which includes clearing my bookshelves, moving my accent table, my area rug, and pushing my sofa off of the walls. Step 2 is clean from high to low. So I'm dusting everything from top to bottom. If you have a ceiling light and or a fan, make sure to dust those as well. I love using microfiber cloths and I pick them up regularly. So check out the link in my description box below for suggestions in my Amazon storefront. As you see, dusting is essential as it improves air quality and reduces allergens in our home. As a general rule, we should dust at least once a week. And if you have lampshades, use a lint brush to remove dust from the shades, also to remove dust from window treatments, furniture, and chairs. Throughout the video, you will see me constantly sweeping because dust is falling to the floor. I simply make a pile and I just keep adding to it. Also, you will notice that I dry dust first before adding any wet dusting. I'm trying to dust and not make mud. You know, you hear me? You feel me? I am Katrina. I am a sister, a daughter, a servant, and a pastor. And on my channel, it's a lifestyle channel. So I love showing you the things that I love. And hopefully they bring you inspiration and motivation. If this sounds like, something you will love, because I think you will, consider joining my Prices YouTube family. It's free and it's fun. Simply like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the bell twice so you never miss a future upload. So now I'm cleaning my baseboards. I start off with a dry dust and then follow it with a wet wipe down. And now to the other side of the room, repeating the steps. We're coming up on the first Saturday, and that means one thing, our monthly chit chat at 10 a.m. See you then. Let's check the time. It's currently 12:54. I've cleaned from top to bottom, taken a few breaks, few phone calls, checked my email, but everything is cleaned in my family room from top to bottom. So I hope you enjoyed this cleaning, deep cleaning motivation, because my mama said, if you don't clean the walls and move a chair, well, you're just straightening up. So that's what my mama said. So that's what I did. And the only thing left for me to do is to mop the floor. But I'm going to do that off camera. Make sure to like this video and give this video a big thumbs up, because thumbs up and comments help my channel to continue to grow. So join me next time when I reveal my family room for spring 2025. Looking for spring and summer home decor inspiration or Easter finds? Check out my Amazon storefront, conveniently open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and the link is in my description box below. Remember, videos are posted on Tuesdays and Thursdays, 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and a few more sprinkled in between for your viewing pleasure. Until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless.